Good morning, students. Today again we are going to discuss the next numerical from our second unit. Okay, so let us solve that particular numerical. Problem statement is a wire 2.5 mm in diameter and 18 centimeter long is submerged in water at atmospheric pressure, and electric current is passed through the wire until the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. In case the wire surface temperature is needed to be maintained at 125 degrees Celsius. Determine the electric power supplied to the wire assume convective heat transfer coefficient as 4000 watt per meter square per Kelvin. So this is what is the problem statement is. Let us read the problem statement. What it is stating that a wire of 22.5 mm in diameter and 18 centimeter long is submerged in water at an atmospheric pressure. An electric current is passed through the wire until the water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. In case the wire surface is needed to be maintained at 125 degrees Celsius, determine the electric power supplied to the wire. Assume convective heat transfer coefficient as 4000 watt per meter square Kelvin. So here the given data is D, that is nothing but the diameter of an wire, which is 2.5 mm, which will be equals to 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter. then L will be equals to 18 centimeter. So it will be equals to 0.18 meter. Okay. Then temperature of wire surface, temperature of wire surface is equals to T, which is equals to 125 degree Celsius. Then temperature of the water, or it is nothing but the fluid, isn't it, which is Ts, temperature of surrounding, that is nothing but the 100 degree Celsius. And coefficient of convective heat transfer, that is nothing but the H, is given as 4000 watt per meter square Kelvin. Okay. So now very first we will have to calculate the area. Okay, so surface area of wire exposed. Okay, so area which will be equals to pi d. Okay, area of the circular wire will be equals to pi d, and as we are talking about the surface area, it has to be multiplied by L, that is nothing but the length, so that we will get the surface area which is exposed to the fluid, surrounding fluid, and that particular fluid is nothing but the water. So pi will be multiplied by 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 0.18. Okay, then the answer will be, let us calculate it. I hope it is visible to all of you. Pi multiplied by 2.5 into 1 exponential minus 3, okay, equals to into 0.18. So the answer is 1.4137 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter square. Okay. Now the electric power needed to be supplied to wire, which will be equals to rate of convective heat loss. Okay, and that can be found out by the formula Q, which is equals to H into A into bracket T minus Ts. Okay, so if we substitute the given values into it, then it will be 4000 multiplied by area, which is 1.4137 into 10 raised to minus 3 into T is nothing but the 125 degrees minus 100 degrees. Okay, the answer will be equals to, so let us calculate this. 4000 multiplied by 4000 multiplied by answer multiplied by 125 minus 100 means 25. So the answer is 141.37 watt. The unit will be watt. So the Q, which is the electric power needed to be supplied to the wire, that Q is nothing but the 141.37 watt, isn't it? So I hope you have understood this. So that's it for this particular video. Thank you so much, all the best.